Welcome to the digital realm, where data packets zip around like busy bees. We're diving straight into the heart of networking today, discussing tagged and untagged traffic. In the world of network switches and routers, traffic can be tagged or untagged. Tagged traffic carries a VLAN identifier, a unique ID that helps in segregating and routing data packets. It's like a VIP pass, granting the data packet special routing privileges. On the other hand, untagged traffic is the everyday, ordinary data packet with no special privileges. It's like a general admission ticket, routed based on default network rules. But why does this matter? Well, it's all about network efficiency and security. Tagging can help prioritize certain data, isolate network traffic, and even enhance security. Just imagine you're a traffic cop, and the data packets are vehicles. Tagged traffic is like those vehicles with a special permit, allowing them to take specific lanes for faster, more secure transit. Untagged traffic, they're the regular cars following the regular rules, and that's a bite-sized breakdown of tagged and untagged traffic. For more tech tidbits and networking knowledge, check out betanetworks.com. Until next time, keep those data packets flowing.
Don't miss out. Smash that subscribe button and hit like to keep up with our awesome content.